Customer health has always been a key area of focus for us during renovation. At Meerkat, we are committed to providing customers with environmentally friendly and sustainable products. Our Rattan Series is a good example. A few months ago, we were fortunate enough to be invited to attend a home furnishing exhibition held in Jakarta. This exhibition made us think deeply about how we can better promote ESG products, and the people there really reminded us of our friends in the remote area of Indonesia. Indonesian rattan handmade products are excellent, and we hope to promote the development of Indonesian rattan so that more consumers in developed areas can recognize and love these products like us. Basically, they use pure natural raw materials and skillfully weave them by hand to turn wild plants that may burden the environment into beautiful household items. These rattan products are completely natural, green, and pollution-free for the whole production process. It is light, breathable, tough, insect-proof, easy to clean, and very suitable for Singapore's humid and hot climate. As such, we hope to be able to expand their market and help these rural and hardworking women increase their income so that they can improve the living standards of their own home and family. So keep a lookout for what we have in store to help these women in the upcoming months.